This is the third video, and in this video we will discuss about order relation in decimal. To compare decimals we need to follow the following steps. First of all, we have to convert unlike to like decimal. This is the first step. Unlike decimal to like decimal. Second step, we have to compare the whole number. If the whole number part is greater, then we can say the number is greater. Third step, if the whole number parts are equal, then we need to compare the first place of decimal. If the first place of decimal in all the decimals are same, then we need to compare the second place of decimal and so on. Now look at the example. Compare 25.46 and 33.21. Here the whole number 25 is lesser than 33. Therefore, we can say that 25.46 is lesser than 33.21. Look at another example. Compare 12.7 and 12.07. First of all, we have to convert this first decimal number into like decimal of the second. So 12.7 can be written as 12.70. Now comparing this 12.70 and 12.07, the whole number are same. Therefore, we have to compare the digit in the first decimal place. Here, in this number, the digit in the first decimal place is 7, and in this number, the digit in the first decimal place is 0. Therefore, we can say that 12.70 is greater than 12.07. Therefore, we can conclude 12.7 is greater than 12.07. See another example. Compare 0.64 and 0.645. First of all, we have to convert this into like decimal. 0.64 is equal to 0.64 and we can include 1 0. So therefore, it is now 0.640. Second step, we have to compare this 0.640 and 0.645. Integral part, both have 0. Therefore, we will compare the first decimal place. But here the first digit in the first decimal place in both the number is 6. And digit in the second decimal place in both the number it is 4. Therefore, we cannot compare by this first decimal place and the second decimal place. Now, the deciding factor is in the third decimal place. Look at in the third decimal place. Here in this number 0.640, third decimal place the digit is 0. And in the second number 0.645, digit in the third decimal place it is 5. So we can say that 0.640 is lesser than 0.645. Or we can say finally we can conclude the answer 0.64 is lesser than 0.645. In this way, we can arrange the set of decimal number in ascending order or in descending order. Look at this example. Arrange them in ascending order. Here, it is given 4.37, 3.47, 4.73, 3.74, 4.7 and 3.4. We can arrange them in ascending order if we arrange them in tabular form. First of all, we have to make this kind of columns. This column is allotted to give the rank after comparing them. The middle column, whatever the decimals given in the form of unlike decimal, we have to write it here. And the third column, we have to write these unlike decimals in the form of like decimal according to the place. Okay. So whenever you compare or you arrange the numbers in ascending or descending, you have to make the chart in your copy. And especially the third column, third part, here you have to arrange the number according to the place in this way. Now look at here. First of all the numbers given here has the maximum 2 decimal place. So we have to convert each and every decimal numbers with 2 decimal place. It has already 2 decimal place, 4.37. 3.47. So integral digit will be written here and point will be written just below the previous point, and this is the first place digit, first place of decimal. So we have to maintain the column. So 3.47, 3.74, 4.7. And to make it like decimal, we have to include one 0. 3.4. 3.4. We have to include one more 0 at the extreme right. Remember children, at the extreme right, you can add 0. Okay? Now it is 3.40 and the last number is 4.73. Now we have to compare all the numbers as we have to arrange in ascending order. So we have to find out which number is the least number. So first of all, look at these three numbers as integral 3. Out of these 3, it has 3.40, it has 3.47. So this is the least, so it will get the rank 1. This is the second least, we have to give it the rank 2. Then it is rank 3. Then out of rest of the 3 numbers, it has 4.37. Next number is 4.70 and 4.73. So definitely 4.3. It should be rank 4 and 4.70 and 4.73. So 4.70 is lesser than 4.73. Therefore, it will get rank 5 and 4.73 will get rank 6. That means it is the highest number and this is the least number. Which one? 3.40. Now we have to arrange them in ascending order by using this unlike decimal, by writing this unlike decimal. So we got the rank, therefore 3.4 first of all, then the rank 2 3.47, rank 3 3.74, rank 4 4.37, rank 5 4.7 and rank 6 4.73. This is the ascending order. In this way, we can arrange the number in descending order also. Look at here, it is descending order. Arrange the following decimal in descending order: 1.9, 2.6, 1.09, 2.06, 1.009, 2.006. So maximum 3 decimal places are there. So we have to convert them first of all into like decimal. Look at here, 1.9, that means 1.900, 2.6, 2.600, 1.09, so 1.09, and from our side we are adding this 0. 2.06, 2.06, then 1 0 is added here. 1.009 and 2.006. We have to arrange all the decimals here in the descending order, means greater to lesser. So search first of all which numbers is the highest, the largest. What we are getting here? It has 2.0, it has 2.06, it has 2.6. So therefore definitely this 2.6 is the largest number. And we are giving here the rank 1. Then 2.06, second place of decimal has 6. Therefore definitely it is greater than this number. Therefore it will get the rank 2. And here 2.006, 6 is in the third place of decimal. Therefore it will get the third rank. Next we have to search this 1.900, 1.090 and 1.009. So definitely it is greater out of these 3 with whole number 1. So it will get rank 4. And 1.09 will get rank 5 and 1.009 will get rank 6. Finally, we have to arrange it in descending order. It is 2.6. Then first rank is 2.6, second is 2.06, third is 2.006, fourth is 1.9, fifth is 1.09 and the least number is 1.009. So this is the descending order. So always remember children, whenever you arrange the set of decimal numbers in ascending order or descending order, you have to make this chart in your copy. And you have to compare them after converting them into like decimals, and then you have to give the rank. And finally, you have to arrange them in ascending or descending order in the terms of unlike decimal. These are the work children you have to do in your classwork copy. Exercise 39, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of the parts given to you. You have to do only these parts in your classwork copy. Rest of the part can be done in your practice copy to clear your concept. But these things will be definitely done in classwork copy. And exercise 40, these are the sums. Thank you.